into Yorkshire.
Lucy, what are you cooking up, love? This looks amazing.
A spicy lamb and rice dish.
Ooh.
All the ingredients are from Aldi. The lamb mince was £5.29, which is a lot more than any other mince. But you know, I needed the lamb mince.
And hang on, where are these plates from? I love them.
Tiptoe Shop.
Very nice.
Onion was 95p, I'm only using one of them. The yoghurt was 55p.
Is that pan meant to be smoking, by the way?
Spinach was 99p. Yeah, because I'm going to get my lamb mince straight into a hot oil pan. Pop! And guys, when I press follow on the box, I didn't realise this. Don't you just hate these vacuum packs?
And for anyone wondering, this will cost you £7.78 from Aldi Billingham.
So as you can see, it's a lot of fat in here from the mince, so I'm just going to drain a bit of this out. Still keeping some in, but taking quite a bit of it out. Just with some kitchen roll, I find that the easiest way to do it. Now, we're going to add the red onion, also some paprika, some garlic, and some ground coriander. I like using the ground coriander because I don't like fresh coriander. I don't really like the taste of it. So this way, it's a lot nicer. And give that a stir and let that all brown off. That's all browned off now, so I'm going to add 500 mils of beef stock. We're going to let this boil and then we're going to simmer for 15 minutes. Added in a little...
Hang on, what's on your face here? All the white powder there on your nose?
Well, a bit of cornflour.
He's sniffing cornflour.
Turn it off the heat. I'm going to add the spinach. This spinach is already washed and prepped. So we're just going to add in half a bag of spinach.
And just to confirm, it was actually cornflour.
And that is ready to serve up. So I've got 4 plates here because it's made a lot. So for the price of it as well, it's really good value for money. So let's get this on. Smells beautiful as well, very fragrant. Let's get this on. Love these plates as well. They hold a lot. Look at that. Don't really make lamb dishes much because lamb is so expensive, but I think going the 4 ways is really good value for money. Let's get that on there. Slop that on. There we go. And then just to the top, I'm going to add some fat-free natural yoghurt just to cool that down. You don't have to add it, but if you do like it, bob it on.
And there you go, guys. There's 4 nice little simple easy meals for less than £8. There we go. So one thing left to do. Let's dig in and give it a try.
That is actually better than what I thought it was going to be. Oh, it's very tasty, that. Oh, beautiful. Give it a down.